guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Josie Benjamin.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss a video that my mum uploads, just like this one, and much more.
Yes, and guys, today we actually woke up again to snow. It's all white everywhere, and you know, snow, we love snow. We love snow. It's amazing. You know, everything will be looking just so white like snow. And yes guys, so we're just gonna do a walk with my family, my husband and my two beautiful children. You know, when the snow is out, you gotta go out and have some fun. So yes, we'll just go out and have some fun, and also just go to our local supermarket and grab some food. And yes, I think my husband is gonna make something for us tonight. So yeah.
Alright, so we're going to get some a few items. That's the list that we want. Just cucumber, sausages, Frankfurter sausages, breast chicken, lettuce, baguettes, cheese, onions, mushroom bacon, and that kind of thing for our homemade Subway that we're going to try and make tonight, okay? So I forgot my mask, so I can't actually get into the store. I forgot my mask at home. But guys, if you just go in and get these things, we'll be good to go. Hey, what's going on?
We're buying stuff for our homemade Subway. Yeah. Okay, message sent. Guys, you know what? I've been waiting for a couple of minutes now. Nobody's replied, of course, because on this group chat, they always reply to just funny memes that we put and like funny things, and they never reply to serious, important things like what we want for dinner. Like, just look at this, guys.
Baby, how long were you sleeping?
Look at that, just a video of my dad. And then look at this, a funny picture of my brother with a Snapchat filter on him. And then, I don't know, a picture of this Benny guy. And we've got pictures of my dad when he's caught asleep and he's apparently resting his eyes. And so, like, all we put on here is just a bunch of funny stuff.
Yeah, tell us, where are you?
In a car park with a big sky ball.
And I'm just hoping that they'll reply anytime soon, because if not, I think I might call them one by one and see what their orders are, because I cannot wait any longer. I'm very hungry. Who should we call first? I think I'm gonna call my brother first, you know? I'm gonna call my brothers first. All right then, let me find him. Right. Okay. Let's give him a ring. Hi, hello. This is loud as it goes. Okay, what do you want for?
I want chicken and some.
That's a salsa it's supposed to do.
And some ketchup
Chicken and ketchup. Anything else?
with fries.
With fries. Okay. Thank you.
That's okay. Bye.
Bye. All right, guys, that was my brother. So, how about we quickly write this down? JR, right. He said he wanted chicken. I don't think I spelled that right. Anyways. Ketchup. And fries. Are we doing fries today? All right. That's my brother. Now we're gonna call my mum as our next person.
Hello?
Oh, hello. Okay, I have a question for you, mum.
What's happening? What's happening?
Okay, so,
What's happening? You've been ringing and
okay, so, for dinner we're having homemade Subway sandwiches, okay? Yes? And so I would like to know what you want inside your homemade Subway sandwich.
Right. Okay. We have chicken.
Yes, we have chicken.
Yes, chicken, please. Bacon.
Ooh, some bacon, okay. Bacon.
Lettuce.
Yep.
Cucumber.
Yes.
The chicken.
Bacon, lettuce.
Cucumber. Lettuce. What else?
Anything else? Onion,
No, I don't
tomatoes,
like onion.
tomatoes,
No onion.
cheese,
No tomato.
mayo.
Cheese. Melted cheese. A little bit of melted cheese and mayo.
Yes, and
Yeah.
mayo. Okay. All right then. Well, thank you for that. Goodbye, and I'll be coming
Thank you,
soon with your food.
Yeah.
Okay then. Susie said melted. To cheese. And some mayo. Right then. So, I'm gonna quickly take my order, which, if anybody wants to know, mine is cucumber. Cucumber. Might want a little bit of bacon in mine. I want cheese. What else? What else would be good? I think I might want some mayo in mine instead of ketchup this time. Mayo. And last thing, probably might have rice. All right then. Yeah.
All right, hi everybody. So we're gonna do a quick fix, which is quick but nice. But you know, when you're tired and you don't wanna go full out cooking and everything, we're gonna imitate the Subway sandwich. So we've got four baguettes or batons. All right, and we're going to use those in today's meal experience. All right, so thank you, JL, for giving me all the orders of everybody. Everybody's got their different orders of what they want in there. They're quite big, but quite filling. So I don't know, you know, if you guys are going to be able to finish yours, but everybody's getting one. All right, and trust me, it's gonna be amazing. So get your oven on. All right, I'll just turn this on because we're gonna need this for for the cheese and to slightly toast them on the side. And you saw all the ingredients that we got from the shop. All those ingredients will be getting in there in the orders in which the individuals have ordered them. The orders. I need to stick to that. All right, so sausages. Somebody might want some sausages. These are Frankfurter sausages. All right, I will just slice them like that, so that they get ready to get into. All right, so those are ready to go. We've got our bacon. For those that want bacon, ready to go as well in a minute. Okay. I've already put one. I've already put 3 plates of cheese, so I just put a bit of cheese in there. And I'm going to pop these in the oven nicely. So only 3 people said they wanted cheese. All right. Right, so this is Mom's. She said she wanted bacon. Bacon. And bacon.
Ha 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 ha, my God.
All right.
Today.
And chicken.
Oh my God. The challenge is now, are we going to be able to finish?
That's the challenge. Lettuce and cucumber, yeah?
Sure.
Cucumber.
Cucumber. Lettuce.
Cucumber.
Mayo. Don't worry, I'll put my mayo. And then you can move to the next.
And then lettuce. There we go. And this is yours, JL.
Yes, okay.
What was it again?
It was, could I have some of that sausage?
All right, sausage.
Not the chicken one, the turkey one.
Yeah.
And then,
Sausage.
could I please have like just a little bit of bacon
Yeah.
for me?
A little bit.
Yeah, just a little bit.
So something like that is good.
Yeah, that's fine.
Uh-huh.
And then can I have
Cucumber?
some cucumber? Yeah. And then can I have some mayonnaise on it?
Mayonnaise.
I guess you can just spread it on the bread, I guess. Let's see if I finish this.
It will be a test. All right, and then
You squish it together.
Copy that. That's for you.
Okay. Yay, I'm excited.
Okay, that's for mom. All right. This one is for Jer.
Oh, wow.
That one's for Jer because we don't know what Jer wants, right? And here's mine. So mine, I'm gonna have sausage, and this is chicken sausage, all right? And of course, I'm gonna have mushroom chicken. And oh Lord. Of course, I am going to have cucumber. And of course, lettuce. What do you want?
I want sausage and bacon.
Okay, bring. Jay wants sausage and bacon.
And also with cucumbers.
Cucumbers as well, yeah.
So good, guys. So good.
My sandwich. There's a special secret sauce that I use. Salsa.
Salsa.
Mild salsa. So it's got, I think it's got jalapenos and something else. It's quite spicy, but I like it. So, see, I'm just topping it on top of my sausage, and that's my chicken sausage, and my chicken, and my cucumber, and my mushroom, just like that. And this will make the perfect homemade Subway. There you go.
Cheers.
All right, so ready to be consumed and ready to go. I haven't put my. I didn't put my leaf. I need to put my my leaves. And my lettuce on there. Oh my goodness, things are falling apart. Oh my God, things are beginning to fall apart. All right. Anyway, there we go.
That's good.
All right, so all of that is going to go in my stomach, okay? But guys, what's amazing, see, this is like an adult size, all right? An adult size baguette. But my daughter JL, look, just pointing there, she's filming. That's a plate. She's eaten
3/4 of it.
yeah, that's more than 3/4 of it. Literally brought that thing down. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Trust me.
It's amazing.
Trust
The
me.
grinding milk.
Trust me. I can't believe it at all. In the meantime, my sausages are just escaping. You will not escape my mouth. Whatever you do, trust me. You may escape the sandwich, but you won't escape my mouth. Trust me. Jesus is Lord. Yes. Yes. Thank you, Jesus. There's no time to sit. This is serious business. Okay? If I sit I won't be able to. It won't be able to go all the way into my body. It will stop halfway. Oh.
Wow. They're getting visions.
That sausage. The naughty sausage keeps trying to escape.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can hear. I don't know if you can hear these eating sounds that I'm making. What do they call them?
Chewing sound.
No, chewing sounds. Yeah, but there's people that enjoy
ASMR.
huh?
ASMR.
ASMR. There's. Do you know that? Can I have a tissue, please? Do you know, guys, that there are people that enjoy sounds, strange sounds like chewing sounds.
Like hard stuff.
Yeah, like scratching on the table, like this, like crisp paper,
Like this.
or tapping on the table. So when I was chewing, I hope you could hear those sounds. I was making some ASMR sounds for you. If you don't know this thing, this strange phenomenon called ASMR, Google it. Go on YouTube, find there's many ASMR people with millions of hits by they just scratch things, and they've got millions of hits on YouTube. It's a strange world, and of course they're making money, and it just shows you that in the world you can literally make money with almost anything. So let's see, I might make money with some of these sounds. Look at that. Look at it. And she's halfway. Oh my goodness, I can't believe that, JL, you've done better than your mom. Unbelievable.
She's not happy.
The effect of overeating. Yeah, lift up your baguette, let's see. Wow, he's halfway, he's doing well. Not bad at all. But what happened to the inside, the stuff that was inside? Oh, you ate the stuff inside first. Okay.
Okay.
That's another style of doing it.
Another way of fixing it.
That's another way of doing it.
Oh my god, I just have to put mayo. I love mayo. Just gonna put the mayo. Oh my god. This is looking yummy. It's looking yummy, but then I will tell you guys all about it when I taste it. Ooh, not too much mayo, no, not too much. Just a little bit, just a little bit. Wow. Oh my god. Whew. This is mega good. Oh my god. For these and other blessings, we thank you, oh God. Dude, come on. Just do some time. Okay. It's yummy. Yummy. It's so yummy. It's crunchy. And the roll baguette is so crunchy. Just the bacon, the chicken, the cucumber, and the lettuce. My god, and the cheese that's melted on the baguette. Oh my god, it's just so nice. Guys, if you want, you can try this out. Very simple recipe. If you don't want to cook like a storm or a big meal and you don't want to waste too much time Now in the kitchen, this is so good because it's really actually filling. It's filling, isn't it? Very, very, very filling. So you can just, go for this and then have your hot drinks or your juices, water, and then you're done. Guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. And you know what? I'm just gonna dig in, and thank you so much for our subscribers. You mean a lot to us, guys. We really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much.